Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 2 of week 3, Science 10, Term 1, Balancing Chemical Equations. The topic is Steps in Balancing Chemical Equations. Okay, objectives. Explain the rules and the steps used in balancing a chemical equations. Balance simple chemical equations by placing correct coefficients without changing subscripts and demonstrate carefulness and honesty in checking atom counts before declaring an equation balance. Let us answer these statements, either balance or bluff. Okay, purpose: to identify whether an equation is balanced or unbalanced through a quick and engaging class challenge. Materials: okay, 2 response cards per learner, balance and bluff, projected or written chemical equations. Okay, directions: examine each chemical equation shown, count the number of each kind of atom on both sides, raise the balance or card when the atom counts are equal, raise the bluff card when the equation is not yet balanced. Be prepared to state which state. Okay, for number 1, ano kaya sa tingin natin? Balance or bluff? Okay, bluff. Because oxygen atoms are not equal. Kung papansin niyo, dalawa ang atom sa reactant, sa product ay isa lang ang oxygen. Okay, number 2. Okay, balance. In both sides, the hydrogen and oxygen are balanced. Kung 4, kung bakit naging 4 dito sa reactants ay itong 2 niya na coefficient, ita-times mo sa atom niya na 2 sa subscript. Therefore, 2 times 2, that is 4. And yung oxygen, 2. While sa product, ganun din, 2 times 2, 4. And then, 2 times 1, the number of atom dun sa dulo ng H2O is 1. Yung coefficient ay 2, so 2 times 1. Okay, number 3. Okay, bluff. Alin dyan ang hindi balance? Okay, ang hindi balance dyan is the chlorine. Sodium and chlorine atoms are unequal. Okay, number 4. Okay, balance. Both sides, the sodium is 2 and chlorine is 2. Okay, next. Number 5 is balance. All atom counts are already equal. And then number 6, bluff. Ang hindi niya nakapag-balance ay yung, tingnan nyo yung hydrogen. Ang hydrogen ay 4 sa reactant, sa product ay 2. Ang oxygen, 2 sa reactants, bali 3 sa product. And then ang carbon, parehas 1. Okay, let us have this scenario. The science fair burner label. For the school science fair, a group prepared a display showing how methane gas burns in oxygen. They printed this equation on their exhibit. Okay, ito yung equation. Methane reacts with oxygen gas resulting to carbon dioxide and water. Before attaching the label, a learner checked the atoms and noticed that the equation did not yet correctly show the reaction. The display must be corrected so visitors understand that atoms are conserved. Okay, guide questions. What elements are present in the equation? Okay, ang elements dyan, we have carbon, we have the hydrogen, oxygen, o yung tatlong yon. So, how many carbon atoms are found on each side? Sa reactant part, only 1 carbon. Sa kabila, 1 carbon din. Parehas sa reactant and then sa carbon and then sa product side. So, carbon is already balanced. Okay, how many hydrogen atoms are found on each side before balancing? Ilan yung hydrogen? Sa reactants, 4. Sa product, only 2. Therefore, hindi balance ang hydrogen. There are 4 hydrogen atoms on the reactant side and 2 hydrogen atoms on the product side. Okay, which coefficient should be placed before H2O to balance hydrogen? Okay, the coefficient of 2 should be placed before the water formula. After balancing hydrogen, which coefficient should be placed before oxide? Okay, a coefficient of 2 should be placed before oxide or the oxygen gas. What is the balanced chemical equation? Okay, the balanced chemical equation is ito na. So, dinagdagan ng 2 yung oxide, yung oxygen gas, ginawang 2 molecules, and then yung water, ginawang 2 molecules. Kung i-check natin, yung C, parehas sa both side, ay 1 sa reactants at sa product. Yung H naman, sa reactants, 4. Sa product, 4 na rin siya kasi 2 times 2. Yung coefficient na 2 times the subscript 2. And then the oxygen sa reactants, 4. Sa kabila, dalawa doon sa carbon dioxide and dalawa doon sa H2O. Magiging dalawa kasi nga yung 2 molecules ng H2O. So therefore, both 4 oxygen atom on both sides. Okay, why chemical equations must be balanced? A chemical equation must correctly show that atoms are conserved. If the number of atoms on the reactant side is different from the number on the product side, the equation is incomplete or incorrectly represented. Ito yung mga elements, CHCl, yung symbol, reactant side, 1, product side, 1. So, balance siya doon. Kaya lang yung element na hydrogen, 4 sa reactant, 1 lang sa product. So, not balance. Kung titingnan ito nasa taas, diyan katumingin. And then chlorine, ilan lang ang chlorine? That is 2 sa reactants. And then sa product is 5 ang chlorine. So not balanced. The equation is not balanced because hydrogen and chlorine have unequal atom counts. So rules in balancing chemical equation. Number 1, never change subscript. Tandaan nyo yan. Kapag magbabalance tayo, sa gusto ang maibalance yung chemical formula, babaguhin na yung subscript. Bawal po yun. Number 2, a subscript is part of the formula of a substance. Changing it challenges the identity of the substance. Yan, methane, CH4 is methane. Not, okay, rule number 2, use coefficients only. Coefficients adjust the number of molecules without changing the substance involved. Okay, example, for atom or 4 molecules of hydrochloric acid, this represents 4 hydrogen atoms and 4 chlorine atoms. Okay, rule number 3, the coefficient 1 is usually not written. The formula CH4 already means 1 molecule of methane. So, yung nasa unhan na coefficient. Kahit di nalagyan ng 1, automatically that is 1 molecule. Ayan, list the names, list the elements. Ayan. Count the atoms. Ayan. O kung titignan natin dito sa table, ang hindi balance ay ang hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, step number 3, balance on 1 element at a time. Hydrogen has 4 atoms on the reactant side and 1 atom in the product side. Place 4 before the hydrochloric acid. Ayan, CH4 plus Cl2 or the chloride resulting to calcium. Now count chlorine on the product side. Ayan. 4 chlorine atoms, 4 chlorine atoms din sa kabila. Total chlorine atoms 8. Ayan. Place 4 before chloride. Ayan. Check the final amount, the final atom count. Ayan. The reactant side 1 yung carbon, sa product side 1. Sa H, ang reactant niya ay 4, sa product is 4. Ang chlorine 8 sa reactant side, 8 pa rin sa product side. So the equation is balanced. Okay, more examples, sodium oxide formation. That is sodium plus oxygen resulting to sodium oxide. So balanced equation, kung titingnan natin, hindi pa rin siya balanced because Na in the left side is 1 and sodium in number 2 is 2. Ayan. Conclusion, balancing chemical equation means making the number of each kind of atom equal on both sides of an equation. Only coefficients may change during balancing. Subscripts must remain unchanged because they identify the substance involved in the reaction. A balanced equation gives evidence that atoms are conserved. Okay, for activity, coefficient detective file. And complete the worksheet independently. Count the atoms on the reactant side, count the atoms on the product side, write balance or not balance.